Hi. It's been pretty nice picnic weather every once in a while. I mean, some days it rains, but other days we've had really good for picnics. So it's time to make a picnic ham and mozzarella sandwich with Riley's secret sauce. I know, as of today, when you see this, it's no longer a secret sauce because everybody's going to know about it, but it really makes this massive monster of a sandwich. Oh boy, try to bite into this. Anyways, let's go in the kitchen and make one of these right now and then go have a picnic. All right, so here's everything we need for making our picnic sandwich. First of all, important is the bread. In this case, I'm using a soft ciabatta. I like it. It's kind of a little chewy to it, and just fill it up with everything, squish it down, eat it. Cut in half, so about that size. So ciabatta, you could use like hamburger rolls or buns, anything, any kind of bread is fine really. Just around about this size is good because that's just gonna all fit perfectly in there. Then what I've got over here is I've got 10 ounces or 280 grams of slices of ham. And over here I've got a mozzarella cheese, and that's 8 ounces or 230 grams of mozzarella cheese, sliced whatever thickness you like, basically. 1 tomato, also sliced a little thickish, not too bad though, just like about a little under 5 millimeters or a little under 1/4 of an inch, somewhere around there. Now for the sauce, the Riley secret sauce. Okay, what I've got here is I've got 1/3 of a cup of mayonnaise. I've got 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of pickle relish. It's like that green pickle relish, American relish, really delicious. This here is 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. This is the spicier, not the Dijonnaise, the Dijon mustard. Over here, 1/2 tablespoon of sriracha, hot chili sauce. Now that's the stuff that comes in a bottle like this. I usually find it in most places, if not in your regular supermarket, in any Asian supermarket. But I know this is popular all around the world, so easy enough to find. And here I've got 1 teaspoon of Worcester sauce. Did I say it right that time? I hope so. Worcestershire, for those of you who are like me and that's what you read. Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 clove of garlic crushed. So let's mix up the sauce first. Let's take a bowl here. And we're just going to put all the mayonnaise in there. And then in goes the ketchup. I don't know, so I'm going to say ketchup, really. Yeah, I don't use ketchup much. You'll notice that. But sometimes in a sauce like this, a little bit of ketchup works just right. And then the relish. Just adds a little bit of body to the sauce too. The mustard, nice little bite to the sauce. And then, for a little bit more bite, we've got the sriracha hot chili sauce. Put that in there. And in goes the Worcester sauce. In goes the pepper. In goes the salt. And then in goes the garlic. Okay. Now we're all ready to mix that all together. So grab a whisk and just whisk it up. And you see that we've got nice looking sauce there. Okay, now time to assemble the sandwich. So what I do, start spreading this on. Now you may not want to spread it all. It's up to you how heavy you want it. I like a lot of sauce. I like it to work its way down into that bread. So I put it on pretty heavy. I don't always use all the sauce. It depends on the bread too. In this case, got big pockets there for sauce. Let's just use most of it. You may notice I'm spreading it with this is my favorite. I love this little, it's like a little icing spatula. It's just got the right width to really spread things easily with. Fantastic. I've got a little bit left over in here, so I'm just going to use my plastic spatula, my little mini plastic spatula to bring some of this out. Spread it around. That's all going to soak into that bread really nicely and just be absolutely delicious. And now, all I do is just start layering up. Get some of the ham on there. Now myself, I like to put about half the ham on there and then alternate. So let's get some cheese in there. Oops, we got some sauce kicking outside. Alright, that's pretty good. I got some tomatoes on there. Actually, that last piece of tomato, not really needed, so. I get these from a little market that brings in local produce and just fantastic. Really delicious tomatoes. Alright, on goes some more ham. It's going to be a monster sandwich. Oops, a piece fell in there. Let's get it on there. Alright, just bring that ham, just keep piling it up. And then, voila! There's our sandwich. Yes, it's going to leak a little bit. What I do now is I just take it and wrap it up with some saran wrap. Just let it soak in, let all those juices soak into the bread and all, while we take this off to our picnic. You squish it down a bit, but don't squish too much because you just squish out the sauces will come outside too much. So I just kind of just gently wrap it up. Those sauces, like I say, they're going to get absorbed by that bread. And by the time you get to your picnic, that's going to be absolutely delicious. Okay. All right. That is ready to go. All right. Enjoy picnic ham and mozzarella sandwich with Riley secret sauce. All right, enjoy. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen and also clickable in this video's description, you can download and print out this recipe from the Sandwich and Burger and Wrap Recipes booklet on Kuma's Kitchen's Patreon page. Just click the featured tag called Recipes. Not yet a patron of Kuma's Kitchen? Well, please consider becoming one. For as little as $3 a month, you'll get access to all our recipe booklets and a bunch of videos not published anywhere else, including our popular This is Japan series and our focus on ingredients and kitchen tech videos. Also, you'll be supporting the creation of many more Kuma's Kitchen recipe videos. Now, go print out the recipe and enjoy making picnic ham and mozzarella sandwich with Riley's secret sauce. And make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.